The phone rings. A customer needs an urgent order. If you can deliver this by next month, we'll place the order. You know this customer matters, so you walk into production. This customer order needs to become our top priority. The production team looks at the schedule. Then someone asks, which existing order would you like us to delay? Suddenly, the decision does not feel so simple. From your side, you are trying to win more business. From production side, you are changing commitments already in motion. Neither side is wrong. They are simply seeing different parts of the business. What you see is the urgent order. The customer is waiting. The opportunity feels immediate, but production sees the rest of the picture. Orders already scheduled, materials already issued, machines already set up, people already working, and other customers already expecting delivery. Their schedule does not contain empty spaces. It contains commitments. This is the priority trap. The newest request becomes the most visible request. And because the existing commitments remain out of sight, it starts to look easier to accommodate than it really is. The production team is not resisting the customer. They are protecting commitments the decision cannot see. That is the real system gap. The business had a production plan, but it did not have a clear process for changing that plan. Changing priority is not the problem. Changing it without seeing what gets displaced is. So, the question is not, can production fit this in? The real question is, what will need to change if we accept it? Before deciding, operations should make the full picture visible. What has already started, what capacity is genuinely available, which delivery dates could move, and what trade-off would need to be made. Sometimes, an existing delivery can be renegotiated. Sometimes, the urgent order can be split. And sometimes, the new customer can be given the earliest realistic date. The urgent order could still be approved. But now, it would be a conscious business trade-off, not an isolated instruction passed into production. The urgent order was never the real problem. The real problem was making a priority decision. Without seeing the commitments, it would change. Businesses need flexibility, but flexibility without visibility is not responsiveness. It is disruption. Good operational decisions do not begin with the newest request. They begin with a clear view of the commitments already in motion. Because when the new priority is visible, but the cost of accepting it is not, priority becomes guesswork. If this kind of thinking helps, subscribe for more Cosmos cases.